Hello, friends. Welcome to Windows XP. We do not care that my computer may be at risk. We are only here for Paint. Beautiful Microsoft Paint. But first things first. What do you see here? I see a wonderful, beautiful, double-scooped ice cream cone. And if you see anything else, you are a dirty-minded imbecile. But that's not what we're here to do. We are here to make art. First, we start with wonderful things. Beautiful things. A surprising artistic statement as we finish the rest of his head, his chin, his wonderful shapely shoulders, his ear, the nostril. We're not done. No, far from it. You must go to the airbrush, set it to the largest setting, and give this guy some hair, seriously. What's a guy without hair? Well, actually that would be bald. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Never mind. And once we do this wonderful airbrush job, we have to color in his mustache. Because no man should have a colorless mustache. But no, we are not done. We must show that this is ours. And so we must sign it. It was done by me. But there is one more finishing touch. One thing that we forgot. One thing so important, so breathtaking, that it will set us apart. It will set this piece of work above all others. Amazing, beautiful compared to Van Gogh. Unparalleled against Picasso himself. You take the paint bucket and we are finished. This work is amazing. This has been Windows XP. This has been Microsoft Paint. Thank you for watching. Fuck you.